Unlock powerful customer engagement and build lasting relationships with Braze, the intuitive platform designed to make connecting with your audience simpler than ever. Let's dive in. First, we'll create your first campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns section and hit that Create Campaign button. You'll see various channels to choose from: email, push notifications, in-app messages. For this example, let's select email. Now, let's personalize it. Braze makes it easy to craft engaging content. You can drag and drop text blocks, images, and even add personalized elements like the customer's name using simple brackets. Next, let's talk about who receives your message using segmentation. Head over to the Segments section here. You can define very specific audience groups. For instance, you can target users who haven't made a purchase in the last 30 days, or those who have interacted with a specific feature. This ensures your message reaches the right people at the right time. Once your campaign is crafted and your audience is segmented, it's time to send or schedule. Review your message and then choose to send it immediately or set it for a future date. And that's it. You've successfully created a personalized campaign and sent it to a targeted audience. Braze simplifies these core functionalities, empowering you to communicate effectively and drive meaningful results for your business. Start connecting with your customers in a more meaningful way today with Braze.